up, guys? Steve here, my dad Manfred, the Rust Busters. We're just checking out this yard. We actually just loaded up a motor for the Mayfair. They got a few trucks for sale. This here GMC cab over, they're wanting 800 bucks for. It's got to go fast. They're cleaning up this whole yard. Yeah. Nice looking truck, not too rusty. I think it's neat. Yeah, the rest of this stuff, I mean, it's all going. We got an International Harvester Fleet Star here. We got an old Diamond T. Over here we got, I believe this is Chevrolet. Correct me if I'm wrong. This guy here is a little older. I'm not sure what it is exactly. International, it says. It's all got to go. Couple of Model Ts over here. You know, I put in my offer on them. I think they'd be cool to play with. We'll see if they bite. You know, this one's still got the motor in her, the old buzz boxes. You know, wooden spoked wheels still hanging on for dear life. Some of them, not this one. There's another one over here, kind of a wooden cab deal. You know, we'll see. There's an old Camaro there by the road. That's essentially free. Sorry, it's probably real windy. Bit of a storm on the horizon. You know, they're loading this stuff up, they're crushing. So if you're interested, you gotta come quick. I'll show you that one last truck over here, and then we'll show you our load. This is another International. Yeah, she's got another motor on the back here too. I think they said they wanted $3,000 for this one. And I believe the motor's in there. Got some cool old stuff on the doors. Yeah, tanker's still on here. Got all the wheels. Probably fire up and drive home, right? Yeah, a little 4-cylinder pump engine on here. Pretty complete in here. And then, yeah, here's what we got going on. We found ourselves a Dodge 230 on this old welding unit. Big old Hobart on the back here. So this motor, they had it running about 30 years ago, and the welder, they couldn't get it working. So we picked this up on the cheap. It's not locked up, so this should be a good swap into that 55 Mayfair. And you know, it's probably 1,000 pounds I got in there at least, but this old Toyota Hilux is handling it just fine. Still got room to spare. So yeah, just a shorty here. Wanted to show you guys what we were up to. We'll kick off probably the next video with firing this motor up, testing her out, and then we'll stuff her into that Dodge Mayfair.